Nor and Tesla back at you with another quick tip. Sentry mode is an amazing feature to keep your car safe when you're not around. I recommend you have it on at all times. A useful option is that you can turn it off at certain locations, such as work or home. I have a fenced in parking lot at work, so not needed. But one thing that bugged me though is that you can't turn it on or off based on time. I don't like having Sentry on at home, at least during the day, because it's really not needed. And I'd get so many alerts from kids going in and out of the house. So it would just bog me down with going through all that footage. But I do want it on overnight. For a while, I tried to remember to turn it on, but that was a pain and I'd often forget. Well, here's how you can schedule Sentry based on time. You will need a third-party app to do this. I'm going to show you the Stats app today because that's what I have. Others are TestLab, Teslify, and Tessie. I'm not sure either of them are capable of doing this. I went on their website and app pages and I just couldn't really find the answer. If someone who uses these can correct me in the comment section, that'd be great. So with Stats app, there's actually two ways of doing this. The first easy way, it's already set up for you. What you want to do is go to your smart features section. You'll see Sentry After Dark. Basically what you do is you pick a home location and you turn it on, and that will activate Sentry from sunset to sunrise, which is cool. It's already done. That easy. Now, if you want a little more customization and you have an Apple, head over to shortcuts. So you want to go to automation and do a personal one. And what I do is I use sleep. So I do when bedtime begins, and then I'll add an action, which is going to be to activate Sentry mode. So if you're not seeing the actions from the Stats app in that area, you want to go back into Stats app and look at the tools section. You'll see series shortcuts. Just create a shortcut, and that should bring them all up. So once you do that, head back over to shortcuts. You'll see them there. So activate Sentry mode. There's one. You want to do the same thing when you wake up. So deactivate Sentry mode, and then you're all set. There's lots of different options to customize exactly what you want. And it can even be something other than Sentry, like if you want to start charging at a certain time, you have that option as well. I do believe you can achieve the same thing with Android, but again, I have an iPhone, so I'm not too sure exactly how that would work. All right, I hope you like this one. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And also, let me know if you want a more detailed deep dive into the Stats app. There's tons of features in that app that you probably don't know about. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on these handy tips to really get the most out of your Tesla. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week.